I'm Ferran and I'm 18. I was born in Barcelona. This is my second year, so I'm graduating this year. I've been all of my life in a regular, normal school, which old system, with exams, study, and yeah, I came here basically to discover new things, to find myself probably. The goal when I came here, I was a little bit confused about what I want to do in the future, what are my goals, what are my passions. It's incredible because I found it all the stuff that I like to do and what are my actual passions, and I can explore it here, so it's super cool. In my old school, the teachers was like a relation of boss and a worker, maybe I would say. And literally, the learning guides are your friends. And my mentor is Adri, and he always tried to help me, stay with me. And this year that I'm graduating, more. The relation with the learning guides is so cool. I play rugby, so I played rugby since I was 6 years old, and I've stayed in all my life in Rugby Sant Cugat. I played too in the Catalan team, and now I'm in the high performance center of the Spanish team here in Catalonia. My plans for the future are this. I will stay here and doing some formación profesional about economy, entrepreneurship, something like that. At the same time, preparing myself to apply to a university in Dublin, and then the course there, which the university rugby is so incredible. I want to do a business management course. And then at the master's, I want to focus more on sport management. This place is incredible because you're gonna find and you're gonna reach your goals. I have the ideas, I have the knowledge to, in the future, have sources to earn money. So this is the part that I'm proud of Learnlife, of being here.